Alright, and this is how we will solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Our quadratic equation for this example will be 3x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals 0. So the quadratic formula is x equals a negative or opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. The square root is including b squared and negative 4ac, all over 2 times a. To start off, we just substitute in our a, b, and c from our equation into this formula and come back with x equals the opposite of 4, or negative 4, plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times 3 times 1, all over 2 times 3. When we simplify, we are left with x equals negative 4 plus or minus 2 over 6. So now we will set up two cases, one of negative 4 plus 2 over 6 and one of negative 4 minus 2 over 6. When we solve, we will come back with the answers of negative 3 and negative 1. So our solution to this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula is negative 3 and negative 1. There are certain things in the formula that will help you to determine what type of answer you will get. The discriminant is a special part of the formula. It is the square root of b squared minus 4ac. It is this part of the formula, the quadratic formula. And when you substitute in all of your a, b, and c's from your original quadratic equation, the answer that you get after you've solved, if it equals 0, it will tell you that you will get one rational answer as your solution. If this number equals a whole number that is also a perfect square, that means that you will get two rational answers for your solutions. If you solve the discriminant and you get a whole number, but that is not a perfect square, you will get two irrational solutions. And finally, if you get an answer to the discriminant that is less than 0 or a negative number, you will get two imaginary answers. This is how you will solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula.